Hi, I'm Janet Zappala, and today we are making these brown and serve rolls using Fleischmann's yeast. These make-ahead rolls take the stress out of holiday dinner. You can make them up to a month ahead of time, then freeze them, and then bake them fresh. Hot rolls ready when you are. Now this recipe only takes about 2 hours to make. Here's what you're going to need. All-purpose flour, sugar, salt, Fleischmann's rapid rise yeast, milk, water, butter or margarine, and eggs. Now to start, mix 3 cups of flour along with the sugar and the salt. And of course, we could not make this recipe without it, Fleischmann's rapid rise yeast. And I'm really glad that Fleischmann's has these perforated envelopes because it really makes getting the product out so much easier than before. Combine the milk, the water, and the butter and heat until very warm, but make sure not to boil. About 120 to 130 degrees Fahrenheit, which you then can test with a thermometer, just like this, or you can touch to your lip. Add your butter mixture to the flour, just like this, and you'll get that beater going on low speed. And add your eggs. And then what you want to do at this point is beat for about 2 minutes at medium speed. And don't forget, you might want to scrape the bowl with a spatula if need be to keep everything continuously combined. Add 2 to 4 more cups of flour to make a soft dough. You can beat at high speed for 2 minutes. Remember to keep scraping the bowl occasionally. You want to stir in enough additional flour to make the dough soft. You want to just lightly flour a surface for your dough, and you want to knead it until it's smooth and elastic for about 6 to 8 minutes. Now that we kneaded the dough, we're going to cover it and let it rest for about 10 minutes. Then divide the dough into 3 equal pieces. Roll each piece into a 12 by 9 inch rectangle as you see here. Cut 12 1-inch strips. Then you tie each strip into a loose knot. Place each roll on a greased baking sheet, about 2 inches apart. Cover them and let them rise in a warm, draft-free place until almost doubled in size. That's about 30 to 45 minutes. Now it's time to bake your rolls in a preheated 275-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the rolls just start to change color. And if you're not going to serve them immediately, you can just let them cool off, put them in resealable plastic bags, and freeze them for up to 1 month. If you're going to eat them immediately, and who could blame you, leave the rolls in the oven until they come out looking like this. And then enjoy. For this great recipe, visit recipefortogetherness.com.